So there's my GoPro. Of course, there's no SD card in it. I forgot to put one in this morning.
That road bitter sucks.
It's 9 degrees today, or at least that was the high. It's bitterly cold. Going to one of my favorite thrift shops because I'm sick of trying to find new ones and being disappointed. Got packed down snow on the road, so it's all freaking bumpy. But you can deal with it. You're strong like that. Alright, I'm gonna look like a fool walking around with my phone recording, but see you inside. Alright, we started in the outdoor part of the store today. Read that as the uninsulated, unheated part of the store. First thing I found was this Billie Jean King autographed tennis racket. Probably from the 70s, maybe early 80s. I don't know what I was thinking. Here's a brand new kid's seat. Looked it up, not worth much. Put it back. It was so cold out here, man. I was trying to hurry. Twins, no thanks. So I don't know what it is. I'm still pretending like I'm gonna learn how to do golf clubs. Haven't done it yet. I mean, I know some of the big names to look for, but you ever seen a wiffle ball bat that color? Me too. Weird. But yeah, I look for some of the big names that jump out at me. Found some other old wooden tennis rackets, but you know, this one's all beat up. No thanks. I only took the Billie Jean King one because her name's on it, and it looked like great condition. Got to train for my next big fight. Get that done while I'm thrifting, sure. Quit looking at those, Chuck. You got one, walk away. Now that's almost irresistible. Pink chair. But I've just about had it out here. Ooh, found these. Thought they might be worth something. I comped them and they're really not, but Marcy liked them, so we might put these up in the house somewhere. Anyway, time to get inside where it's warm. Grab a cart, throw my crap in it. Do some serious shopping. Alright. I always grab a cart these days. That's important when you're doing this work. Not to let yourself get distracted by anything. Gotta stay focused. Hello, honey. Alright, enough of that. Gotta get through some of this clothing. I went through pretty quickly. Trying to find something to jump out at me. I always look at my own sizes first, and then I kind of flip through the t-shirts. Wasn't a whole lot of cool stuff. There's a brand new shirt. Maybe I should have looked that up, but I didn't. Didn't feel like it. So what? Sue me. Cubs t-shirt. Nobody cares. I don't know. I spend too much time in the clothing. I guess I'm just hoping I find something cool that, you know, is outstanding. I'd rather be giving blood. Now, giving blood's important, and I do it. But to have a shirt that say I'd rather be giving blood is a little weird to me. Because it's not that fun, let's be honest. Alright, that's enough of the clothing. Checking out some of the knick-knack stuff. This guy was kind of cute. I didn't find a name on it or anything. He was in good shape, but ultimately I decided, nah, not today. Gotta be a little picky when you got a huge death pile. Not a whole lot jumping out at me here, but I had to waste a couple minutes because some people weren't moving too fast. Turtle. Alright, moving on. Other than this one tie with a stoner panda on it, I didn't see a whole lot here I needed to have. Next I'm checking out the caps, and usually that means snapbacks, but today was a little different. Didn't find a whole lot in the snapbacks. Nothing worth reselling anyway. But up above something caught my eye. Actually a couple of somethings. First there's this Fedora that's actually a Stetson. Now it's not in the best of shape, but I know that's a good name brand. So I grabbed it. And I'll tell you the comps at the end. I have one comp, and it's the closest one I could find. I'm confident I can get 25 to 70 bucks for that one hat. But this hat's cool too. I'm going to take it as well. But the comp I put at the end of this video, it says $75. I know that it may or may not get that. I just didn't find a lot of that exact hat. So we'll see. I know I'll make good money on it though. Quick look through the coats to see if there's another Packer championship coat. I got a little guff from people last week for not picking that one up. Nothing here too exciting. I've always wanted a cool brown leather coat, but never find my size. This was a hangman game. I couldn't figure out what to do with it. These were all like strapped down to the board. I thought maybe you flipped them over or something. I don't know if that's part of it too, the piece underneath. Hannah Montana, Soggy Doggy. Didn't find any games that were too exciting this time. I did comp this clown plush. He's a little creepy and not worth anything. So you got left for somebody else. Backside of the games doesn't look much better. Alright, forward to the toys. They don't always have a huge selection of toys here, but I always gotta give them a cursory view. Dirty and Weird, did not pick it up. Elmo. I don't know what that is. A Tickle Me Elmo glove? Kind of weird. Alright, already spending too much time here. Those might have been Build-A-Bear skates. I looked for comps, and Build-A-Bear ones look different than that, the ones I saw anyway. So I left them. Don't do Barbies. This is an Aeropostale Bear plush. These do sell used for 10, 12 bucks. But I did not grab this one this day. Some kind of a weird llama. Land's End Frisbee, who knew? I wonder if that came from the company picnic. I doubt if they sold those on their catalog. Little stuff. Nothing worth grabbing here, I don't think. He was cute and soft, though. Another creepy old Elmo. I'll eat your soul. I was just about to give up on the plush, and then I spotted something I thought was kind of funny. This Rasta, I don't know, Jamaican-looking penguin. And when I looked up the comps, I actually saw they had keyword in there of stoner for the ones that sold, so I figured if I didn't sell it, I could find someone who liked it. Hey, man. He's going in the cart. Yeah. I don't know, something weird there. Here's a kit for playing doctor. No comment. Moving on. So Louis L'Amour books, I buy and sell lots of these. I mean, you know, sizable lots, but generally finding one at a time, they're just too pricey to make money on. Maybe there's nothing of interest in the books today. Alright, enough of that. And here we go. $5. It says it's tested, which better mean it works. Magnavox Vcr Dvd Combo. I may get in trouble for this, but this one's going in the cart. Get in there. I don't know what this is, but they were asking $45 anyway. It looked kind of like a projector. The lens was behind glass, which was kind of strange. I don't know. I wasn't messing with it. Electricity saving box. Whatever. Aren't all boxes electricity saving? Cords. You gotta look at the cords and see if there's any chargers I need. And I've made money with some of the vintage bulbs and lighting, but I don't know. Nothing here was looking too wonderful on this day. Moving on. Hey! Should probably lay that on my death pile. I've got bunches of media that I still have to get sold. I know people make money on it, but I list it and it sits forever, so not grabbing that. I know people make money on vintage pencils as well. I already have tons of these, and I get them for a lot cheaper than $1 a bundle, so probably not taking these either. They didn't all look very old anyway. Yeah, that's enough. These are going back. Put them down, Chuck. Put them down, Chuck. Let's check out mugs. I thought about grabbing this for Marcy because she's self-employed now. Thought that'd be kind of cute. But we have a lot of mugs, and I didn't want to get in trouble. So one thing over here caught my eye. Wasn't that. This Gatorade thing kinda did, but they're not worth a whole lot. And I spent way too much time looking at it. Let's put it back. Like now. Put it down. It's enough. What I really wanted to look at was these Leinenkugel Koozies. I could not find exact comps for these. Or for this other pair I'm picking up here in a second, which are also very cool. They're insulated and they have handles on them, but I still thought, you know what, I know these will sell for $15-20 a pair. So I took them. They're going with me. And with that, I think I'm going to wrap it up on this trip. After I drop something on the floor, I'm gonna go check out. Let's get out of here.
But how much is it worth?
Found some things. I may have sworn off of vintage electronics, especially big ones, VCRs. But dang, it's hard to say no to those. Furthermore, I don't know. I just couldn't say no to this stupid thing. Whatever. But this thrift shop is still relatively cheap, so I tend to impulse shop a little more here. And I got the bug, man, and this time of year when there's no auctions, I gotta do something. But I appreciate you coming along. I had fun. Check out the beardos. Sorry if it's not as stable as the old GoPro. Tip of the day, make sure there's an SD card in your camera. Duh. Hey, look at that. Jackassery. Back in the car. Jackassery. Move it! Anyway. I'm weird. I don't know what I'm doing half the time. But this thrift stock... Thank you, Patrick Murphy. It's bitterly cold!